What's up everyone, Ryan here again, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create some vintage Broadway lettering using only the 3D option in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is find a nice bold font. This is because once it's turned into 3D we need plenty of inner space to add our light bulbs. The font I'm using is called Monstrat and will be in the description, available to download. We're then going to delve straight into our 3D tab and start off by pressing New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is under the Properties panel, click on the Cap button to bring up our options. Adjust the bevel width to about 30% and the angle to around -75 degrees to create the inset effects that we're looking for. We also want to change the contour to Gaussian to give us the more soft and real looking shadows. The next thing we want to do is hold Shift and select the 5 material options relating to your object in the 3D panel. Then click the folder icon next to the Diffuse option in the Properties panel and select Load Texture. Below Diffuse we have an option called Specular. Now we want to double click on this colour and change it to black. Now, still in the Properties tab, we want to alter the shine to 100% and reduce the bump setting to 0%. Back in the 3D panel, we want to select the infinite light. Click and drag the smaller ball to adjust the direction of the light to make it look realistic as possible. With the infinite light still selected, adjust the intensity down to around 70%, and the shadow softness to around 45% within the Properties panel. The next thing we're going to do is click on the bulb icon at the bottom of the 3D panel to add a new light to the scene. Select New Spotlight, then move the smaller circle around depending on where you want your light source to come from and which direction. Remember that this can be a little bit tricky to get the hang of, but just be patient, keep moving it about and you'll get there. Remember to like us on Facebook as art.brandon. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and remember that part 2 of this tutorial will be coming out next week, which is the 5th of August, so definitely subscribe to be notified for that. My name is Ryan from art.brandon and I'll see you guys next week.